Excess mucus in the lungs can be uncomfortable and interfere with breathing. While it's a natural defense mechanism, excessive mucus buildup may indicate conditions like colds, flu, allergies, or chronic respiratory issues. Here are 7 natural remedies with beneficial effects, supported by medical insights. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Warm fluids like herbal teas or broths are particularly effective as they soothe the respiratory tract and promote mucus drainage. Steam therapy. Inhaling steam can help loosen mucus and clear airways. Add a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint to hot water for added anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits. Inhale deeply for 10 to 15 minutes, covering your head with a towel for best results. Salt water. Gargle. Gargling with warm salt water reduces throat irritation and helps clear mucus stuck in the upper respiratory tract. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle 2 to 3 times a day. Consume natural expectorants. Foods like ginger, garlic, and turmeric have natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Ginger tea with honey and lemon can soothe the throat and thin mucus, while turmeric milk boosts immunity and aids in reducing mucus production. Honey and lemon mixture. Honey is a natural cough suppressant and has antimicrobial properties, while lemon is rich in vitamin C, boosting the immune system. Combine a tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon and consume it twice daily for relief. Use a humidifier. Dry air can irritate the respiratory tract and worsen mucus buildup. A humidifier adds moisture to the air, making it easier to breathe and helping to loosen mucus. Keep the humidity level between 30 to 50% for optimal comfort. Practice breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises or controlled coughing techniques can help clear mucus from the lungs. The huff cough method involves taking a deep breath, holding it for a moment, and then exhaling forcefully to push mucus out of the airways. Additional tips: avoid irritants. Stay away from smoke, strong odors, and pollutants, as they can aggravate mucus production. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Include more fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 rich foods in your diet. Seek medical advice if necessary. If symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare provider to rule out conditions like bronchitis, pneumonia, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. By incorporating these remedies into your routine, you can effectively manage and reduce mucus buildup, improving your respiratory health naturally. We sincerely appreciate your time and support in watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. Together, let's continue on this journey toward a healthier and happier life. Thank you for being part of our community.